So my name's Scott, I'm one of the HELP team members, and I want to officially welcome you to the team. Thank you for being our partner in Nigeria, and welcome to your team's training process. We've designed and set up this training as a way to give you awareness and confidence as you prepare to use your gifts and skill sets to make disciples through domains. So what does HELP do? What do we do? What's our work? We've made it very simple. We simply make disciples of Jesus through sustainable partnerships in 6 domains of Southwest Nigeria. But how do we do it? This is where the uniqueness comes in. There are 6 values that you need to be aware of as we get prepared to go. First, disciples. The final words of Jesus are our conviction, and we don't go to, quote, save the world. Instead, we go because we ourselves have been transformed, as I hope you have by Jesus, and we're excited to be able to share that with friends in Nigeria and hope that they may be transformed into Jesus' image also. It's a mutual transformation. Second core value, excellence. This is a challenging standard to hold, and we're certainly not there yet, but it's something we are working towards in order to reflect the excellence of the God who created. Thirdly, our core value of sustainability simply means that each of us brings our skill set, our gift, our unique value, and we go all in with that offering, which then leads to the 4th core value of partnership. And that means we hold each other mutually accountable to the value that we bring from sustainability. Fifthly, serving needs. That's the model of Jesus throughout his life. And finally, domains. Think sectors or industries. Even beyond music and sport, domains are the global language. Every culture has them, education, healthcare, whatever they might be. And those are the avenues that we've chosen to take the gospel of Jesus. So all of this is working towards a 10-year vision that was developed both mutually in Nigeria and in the U.S. together. These are the initiatives that we look to complete and the people we hope to impact. We're excited for you to be a part. That's the foundation of HELP's work in Egbe, Kogi State, and Southwest Nigeria. And as you go through this team's training, we've got a couple of ground rules for you that we'd ask of each of you. Please turn off first all distractions when viewing the modules, whether it be internet browsers, other than watching this module, your phone, people around you, whatever. If you could find a quiet spot, boy, we certainly would appreciate that. And that'll help you to be able to really focus in on what we're talking about so you're adequately prepared. Secondly, take notes. Most of your questions will be answered right here in these modules, and you can write down those notes and refer to those notes. Thirdly, if those questions aren't answered, begin to ask questions. First, talk to your team leader. And then if they're unable to answer the questions, by all means, you're more than welcome to be able to email us at office@helpwestafrica.org for any questions that you may have. So the outline of your training is going to be very simple. First, you're going to start with the 2nd module called Mission Trip Information. It goes over departure and destination costs, documents, passports, medical, those sorts of things. Secondly, you'll move to a short-term trip process. That's actually modules 3 and 4. Trip leaders will go to module 3. Trip members will go to module 4. Trip members, you don't have to do module 3. And then for trip leaders, they'll go to module 5 and itinerary training. And then from there, everybody will go from there on out to cultural training, domain training, what to read, module training, the how to pack training, and finally the last module will be policy awareness on the ground. Those are unique policies that we want everybody to be aware of for our HELP team members on the ground. All right, so strap in. It's going to be an informative ride. And again, from the HELP team, we wish to say thank you. In the vernacular or the verbiage of our Nigerian friends, you are welcome. We'll see you in Module 2.